Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to make Christmas special plum cake at home. Firstly, let's soak the dry fruits. In a bowl, add some juice. You can use any flavor such as mango, apple, or use any fruit juice from the market. Add some tutti frutti into it. Melon seeds. Let's know some benefits of melon seeds. Keeps your hair and nail healthy, strengthening your immune system, good for your eyes. Now add some black raisins. Even black raisins have many health benefits such as keeps your blood free from impurities, prevent premature graying of hair, fight against bad cholesterol. Add some almond. Let's know the benefits of badam. Almond reduces cholesterol. Almonds are good for your heart. It even regulates the sugar level. Mix the dry fruits well and let it soak for 8 hours. Now let's caramelize the sugar for plum cake. I am going to use 1 cup of sugar because I am going to use 1½ cup of maida. Transfer 1 cup of sugar into the mixer and make it into a fine powder. From this sugar powder, I am going to take 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar powder and caramelize it. Take a pan without adding any water, single drop of water. Keep frying it. The sugar starts to caramelize. Be very careful and keep stirring this mixture. It started to caramelize. Make sure that it won't get burnt. Keep stirring it. Our sugar is caramelized. Now it got a perfect brown color. Now switch off the flame and add water. Be careful while adding the water. Gradually add the water slowly. Let the sugar syrup completely cool down. If your sugar gets burnt up, just throw it away and restart the process again. If it gets burnt, it may change the taste of your cake. Now let's make the batter. In a pan, take 3 eggs. Blend it using a blender or a hand whisk. I have blended it for 5 minutes. Now add 25 grams of butter. Make sure that it is at room temperature. Again blend it well. Now add the leftover sugar powder gradually and blend it. Add few drops of essence. I am using butterscotch essence. Mix it with a whisk. Now in a plate, add 1½ cup of maida, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, it's completely optional, 1 tablespoon of cooking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now let's sieve it. Now mix them all together. Now gradually add the flour mixture into the egg mixture and gently mix it. Add the caramelized sugar. We are just adding this caramelized sugar to get a good color. Keep adding it gradually. If your batter becomes too thick, then frequently you can add some caramelized sugar or even the milk. Make sure that you get a correct consistency. It should not be neither too thick nor too thin. See the consistency? Now let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. Now let's make the butter paper at home. Take a A4 size paper and cut it as per your cooker size and apply oil or butter onto it. I am just applying oil. Now our butter paper is ready. Place this inside the cooker carefully. After 2 hours, our nuts are soaked very well. Our batter is also fermented very well. Just mix it gently. Now add these nuts into the cake batter. Now our plum cake batter is ready. Now let's bake this cake in a pressure cooker. Pour the batter into the cooker. While baking the cake, remove the gasket and even the weight. Cover it. Place a tawa on the stove. On the top, place the cooker. For me, it took 45 minutes. Let's open the cooker lid. With the help of the toothpick, check whether the cake is baked completely or not. Now remove this oil paper and our plum cake is ready. Let's cut this cake. It's really very soft. For this Christmas, try this Christmas cake at home. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye bye.